this roof here, the flat deck roof, was starting to leak after the hail damage, and we could see that our guarantee that we had with this other company was worn out, so they wouldn't do nothing for us. So we had to find somebody that would replace it. And just like the hail hit that window in front and broke that stained glass out, and we wanted to take it down there and have it replaced. They put a whole new flat roof on this flat deck. They tore the old roof clear off, and they had to put a whole new roof, and he guaranteed the new stuff that he put on there to last. And they refixed some storm windows up on top of the church, and in the glass in front, the stained glass, they took it out and took it to Wichita for us and had it done down there, and then they brought it back and put it back in for us when they did the rest of the work. Well, it's not leaking as far as we're concerned. They did a good job. We're sure happy with the way. I was up here when they did it, and I watched what they put on there, and I think it was better than what we had. Real good. I mean, it's a good cleanup crew. I mean, when they left, everything was cleaned up just like it was before they got here. They took all the guttering with them, and they put new guttering on and took the old guttering. They put new guttering on the whole church on this bid. And they took all that gutter. I didn't have to clean up a thing. I was real pleased with the crew. I sure will. I'll tell them to give you a call. I got your card, and I'll give it to them too.